Hello CIA scholars. Welcome back to math session. Students, we are going to start lesson number 13, time. So let's start. Now, in the previous grade, you have learned about time, right? So let's revise it once again. Now, if you look at the slide, there is a clock, right? Now, the visible side of the clock, it's known as its face. It has a dial. The dial has 12 equal divisions. These divisions are numbered from 1 to 12. Can you look at this clock? They are equally divisions and from 1 to 12. Now, a clock has two hands. One hand is short and another long hand, right? The short hand is also known as an hour hand. It moves slowly. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So, the hour hand complete one round in 12 hours and two rounds in 24 hours. So, we say a day has 24 hours. A long hand is also known as minutes hand. It shows the minutes. The minute hand moves faster. It completes one round in 1 hour. Reading time. Now let's read the time. Look at this clock. Now, the small hand, that is a short hand, is an hour hand and it is on 9, right? And the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 9 o'clock. It can be written as 9. If you see here, it's a colon and then 0, 0. It is 9 o'clock. So in this slide, the time is 9 o'clock. Now let us look at the slide. Okay. The hour hand is on 5 and the minutes hand is on 12, right? This means the time is 5 o'clock. It can be written as 5, then colon is there, 0, 0. It is 5 o'clock. So the time is 5 o'clock. Now look at the slide. Write the time below each clock. Now let us look here. The short hand is on 6 and the long hand is on 12. So the time is 6 o'clock. It can be written as 6 colon and then 0, 0. What is the time? Okay, the short hand is on 4 and the long hand is on 12. So the time is 4 o'clock. right? Now look at the slide. Reading time as half past the hour. Students, there are 60 minutes in an hour, right? Each time the minute hands move around the clock. Now look here. Now the shorthand, that is an hour hand, is between 7 and 8, right? If you observe carefully, the hour hand is between 7 and 8, and the long hand, that is a minute hand, is on 6. So when the minute hand reaches 6, we will multiply by 6 by 5. 6 5s are 30, right? So the time is 7 hours 30 minutes. It is also read as half past 7. Now look carefully again. The minute hand is on 6, right? Whenever the minute hand is on 6, that is the long hand is on 6, that means it is half past. Okay, and the hour hand, if you look carefully, the hour hand is between 7 and 8. So it is said 7 hours 30 minutes. Or you can also say that half past 7. Right? Now let's look at the slide. Okay. Now the hour hand is between 8 and 9. It is between 8 and 9. And the minute hand is on 6. Right? So the time is 8 hours 30 minutes. 8 hours 30 minutes. Or you can also write it half past 8. Right? Now, let's move to the next slide. Okay. Now, by looking at the slide, you can see the hour hand. It's between 5 and 6. Right? And the long hand is on minutes. Right? So, it is 5 hours 30 minutes. It is also read as half past 5. So students, we have studied about reading the time, right? So that's all for today. Thank you.